How to download official Deribit mobile application on your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to download and install the Deribit mobile application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is operating to the latest operating system, and then make sure that it is also connected to a stable internet. Once it is, launch open App Store. In the search bar at the bottom, type in Deribit and search. From the search result, look for the Deribit app from Centilla BV. After you open up its info section, tap on Get. Now, authenticate the download by using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and the download process will begin. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. Now you've successfully downloaded the official Deribit mobile application on your iOS. Now you can start trading, check your profit and loss, manage positions, and stay updated wherever you go. Just go ahead and sign into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one, and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.